close grip dumbbell press. So we are going to use flat dumbbells. If you don't have flat dumbbells, this really doesn't work. So flat dumbbells where you have two flat sides you can press together. You're gonna make sure that they're in alignment, squeezing those dumbbells together the whole time. So getting in position, starting with those dumbbells resting right on top of the knees. You can kick them back onto your shoulders and then squeezing the elbows into your body as you roll down, straightening out those arms and getting yourself into your position. From here, looking straight above you, making sure that those dumbbells are pressing in towards themselves. Your heels will be close to your butt, heels driving into the ground. Arching the lower back by squeezing your shoulder blades together, glutes are engaged as well. Allowing those elbows to drop right down past your bra line, and then pushing straight through with an exhale. So inhaling down, exhale to press. And to come back up, you can bring your knees up towards the sky, place the dumbbells on top of the knees, and then use the weight and momentum of the dumbbells to roll yourself back up. And that is our dumbbell close grip press.